Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Lotus Update. This one will be covering the week starting 3rd of July 2023. And as always, I have pasted all of the text, including the direct links, into the description below this video. Let's get started. First up, the new release candidate for Lotus 123.3 was released last week. It includes numerous improvements and enhancements for node operators, ETH RPC providers, and storage providers. Let's run through a couple of key highlights. Number one, the Ethereum-like RPC exposed by Lotus is now compatible with EIP 1898. Number two, and this will be welcome news to storage providers, the piece reader code in Lotus Miner now supports parallel reads. This will significantly speed up retrievals of smaller pieces of data. And number three, node operators are now able to configure execution trace cache size with a new environment variable, which I've included in the description below, along with a direct link to the PR. As well as these three highlights, we have a bunch of other bug fixes and CLI UX enhancements, and you can check out the full changelog at the link in the description. A quick note, we have discovered a minor issue in the version 123.3 RC1 release, where node operators running with the EnableEthRPC true setting in their Lotus daemon config toml will have their daemon APIs temporarily blocked due to a long-running index migration. Now, we're working on optimizing this migration right now, and we expect to have a fix for this issue in the next release candidate, which will be landing soon. SPs and node operators running with EnableEthRPC equals false are not impacted by this at all and are able to start their nodes without any issues. Moving on, sprint board item. We often hear from the community that it can be difficult to keep track of the projects and tickets that the Lotus team are working on and their progress. Now, we want to address this, and to do that, we have created a brand new GitHub project board called FilCat. Now, this board will display the specific tasks that the team is focusing on during each sprint, making it much easier to monitor the status and progress. We are going to be continuing to add our backlog to this board over the coming weeks and months to provide a comprehensive overview going forward. And you can check out the FilCat project board at the link in the description. And finally, state usage visualization. One of the Lotus team milestones in Q3 is to better understand the Filecoin state byte size. We're going to be creating new tools that will allow us to monitor its growth size over time, and we already have an early visualization of the state byte sizes publicly available to view now. Head to the link in the description where you can check out the state data breakdown of a recent snapshot. This is going to be an ongoing conversation as we continue to develop these tools, and you can follow the discussion for the state summary at the link in the description. That's it from me. Thank you very much for listening and have a great week.